So now we got to unbolt these, take these fans off, and we need to take off these lower supports. I think they just pop out. Yeah, just come off like this. There. Yeah, this one just comes out. There it is. And this one, there's an extra bolt holding it in place right here. And there it goes. Complete radiator. Call your radiator. I called 1-800-RADIATOR. Next thing I know, I got one of these. So, let's open it up, find out what we got. Flare pipes on oil cooler may have become loose during transportation. Please make sure the pipes are secure enough and tighten them as necessary with a torque wrench before installation. Fine. Hang on, okay, they're good. Good to go. Okay. So these are supposed to be tightened down to 5 Newton meters, which really isn't very tight. And this is, what did I say, 5 Newton meters, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. And same for the rest. Okay, the fans are on. Now we got the feet on too. And I think we're ready to put this radiator into the van. Let's do it. I just want this hose out of the way. This wire. Alright, now we're ready to put this thing in. Okay. Light. So I gotta line it up on those holes down there. Can you see? Come check. There, see how I'm trying to line up down there? You see that little mount? The foot mount?
Right.
You see it?
Yes.
So now now it's in. One. And here's the other. 13 Newton meters. 13 Newton meters for these bolts. 13.